Today we're going to cover how Parallels RAS can go beyond standard hypervisor support. The custom provider framework is a key differentiator that allows us to integrate virtually any virtualization platform into RAS, giving customers flexibility that most competitors simply don't offer. Let's start with the challenge many organizations face today. Most environments are not standardized on a single hypervisor. Instead, they're managing a mix of legacy infrastructure, niche platforms, private clouds, and edge deployments. Traditional VDI solutions typically integrate with only a limited number of hypervisors natively. That creates silos, increases operational complexity, and forces IT teams to manage multiple tools and workflows. This is exactly the gap the Parallels RAS custom provider framework is designed to solve. The custom provider framework extends Parallels RAS beyond standard native integrations. At a high level, it allows organizations to integrate virtually any hypervisor or cloud platform into RAS using API-driven connectors. What makes this especially powerful is that the framework is programming language agnostic. Customers and partners can build integrations themselves instead of waiting for official native integration. That gives organizations far more flexibility and control over how they manage their infrastructure. Here's how the framework works conceptually. The connector acts as middleware between Parallels RAS and the target hypervisor or cloud platform. RAS sends standardized API requests, and the connector translates those requests into platform-specific actions. This approach keeps the RAS management experience consistent while allowing complete flexibility underneath. The customer or partner ultimately controls the integration logic, which means they can tailor the solution to their exact environment. The process begins by building or adapting a connectivity script. This script enables communication between the provider agent and the target hypervisor or cloud platform. Organizations can either create their own connector from scratch or modify an existing one to fit their environment and use case. Once the script is created, the next step is validation. Using the testing tool, administrators can verify that the connector is functioning properly and that communication with the target platform is working as expected. This ensures the integration is stable before it's deployed into production. After validation, the script is deployed to the provider agents within the Parallels RAS environment. At this stage, the connector becomes operational and is ready to facilitate communication between RAS and the target infrastructure platform. The final setup step is adding the custom provider into the Parallels RAS console. Once configured, administrators can begin managing the environment directly through RAS using the same centralized management experience they already know. At this point, the integration is fully operational. The custom provider now behaves like any other supported provider inside Parallels RAS, enabling administrators to manage workloads and resources through a single unified interface. Once integrated, Parallels RAS can manage the platform just like a native provider. That includes discovering virtual machines, controlling power states, creating templates, cloning workloads, and automating provisioning workflows. Organizations also gain the flexibility to leverage snapshots, custom APIs, and automation capabilities, while maintaining a consistent operational experience across environments. This is where the real business value becomes clear. Instead of managing multiple tools for different platforms, customers can centralize management inside Parallels RAS. That reduces operational complexity, improves efficiency, and helps IT teams standardize how they deliver applications and desktops across the organization. From a business perspective, the benefits are significant. Organizations can reduce cost and complexity, onboard new platforms more quickly, and gain greater flexibility and control over their infrastructure strategy. Most importantly, this creates a future-proof architecture. Customers are no longer locked into a single hypervisor roadmap and can adapt their infrastructure as business needs evolve. To learn more, go to parallels.com/RAS.